Hello, I'm Mari, and the camera is Jose.
Hi everybody!
This time I show you how to prepare the delicious Milanese scallops.
Oh!
For this recipe, we need 3 tomatoes, 1 egg, dried breadcrumbs, the flour, of course, the wheel scallops, very fresh.
Star of the day?
Yes. The dried basil, salt, pepper, vinegar balsamic, olive oil, and some vegetable oil to cook. The first step, we prepare the scallops. And with some tools you flatten. Of course, I go slowly.
It's because it's delicate, this meat.
Very precious and delicious meat. This plate, little bit deep, I broken the egg. Add salt, pepper on the egg. And with a fork, mix. In a separate dish, I put the flour. In a separate dish, we add the dried breadcrumbs.
These are cute.
Yes, the first step is to add in the flour. Not too much. Then in the egg with the salt, pepper inside. Very well. And the last step in the dried breadcrumbs.
All right.
Now I reserve the scallop on the plate and I put in a fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before to cook it. During the time the meat is resting in the fridge, I prepare the tomatoes. I take the nice tomatoes, ready. Prepare 2 of them. Cut in 2,
high quality,
out the green part.
From the farm they are coming.
Yes. And I take out the pips. Add the dried basil or fresh, it's up to you. Just a bit of olive oil.
Of high quality, of course.
Yes. A bit of vinegar balsamic.
Is it from Modena, this one, in Italy?
Yes.
Ah, this is my favorite.
Some salt, pepper. Mix together. And I let to rest for a few minutes. On the warm, I put already the pan with the oil inside. I use the vegetable oil and we warm up very well the pan. When the pan is warm, I add the scallop. And I'm cooking 5 minutes on each side. I turn.
Oh, very nice color.
And eventually you add some oil. Of course, take care to don't burn the scallop. And we continue to cook for 5 minutes more. The scallops are ready.
Wait.
I serve. One by one.
Oh. Now you have the artistic touch now.
Yes.
Coming.
With the tomatoes.
Oh. Inside these tools, in a manner, is linear.
Exactly.
So beautiful.
And it's ready to enjoy immediately.
Of course, I don't wait for.
We are sure you love this special recipe, and I see you next time from new recipes from Chef Marie. And all the ingredients list you'll find on our website www.chef-marie.com.
Bye bye everybody, enjoy!
Bye bye!